the Amtrak Hutchinson River Railroad Scherzer Rolling Lick Bridge in operation. It's built in 1908, and it was originally 3 parallel 2-track lift spans, and I'm gonna show you it was. Yeah, there were 3 of them. You see, there were 3 of them. Yeah, just like the one over the Bronx River. Yeah, and it's also called Pelham Amtrak Railroad Bridge too. And you see the trains going over this bridge. Now this bridge is about to raise. It's raising for boat traffic. Now it's raised, you see. Look at the detail of this. Then after the boats go through, it lowers. You see, it's lowering. It's back lowered. Yep, so you have crosses the Hutchinson River, located in Bronx, New York.